In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can tweet fleets on Twitter. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So first of all, what I'm going to go ahead and do is come over to my Twitter account. So once you've opened up Twitter, this is what page you'll be on. And then what you want to do from here is click on the fleet. So if I click on the fleet, as you can see, this is a fleet that I've just uploaded for this tutorial. And if I want to go ahead and tweet this and for it to be on my main account, what I will do is go to the three dots in the top right corner right there. And then as you can see there's an option for tweet this. So if you go ahead and select that, what it will do is it will bring it up here and you can add a comment and things like that. So you can go ahead and put in whatever you like. So for example, I will put tutorial. And you can go ahead and just add a tweet as you would usually. So you can add a location, you can add a photo, and you can customize it and things like that. And then once you're happy with the tweet, go ahead and select tweet. So if I go back now and then I go over to my profile, as you can see, the fleet is now there on my main page. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.